Welcome to MotorMav. In this video, we will learn the temporary fix for bad oxygen sensor. Well, you don't need to buy many things or special tools to temporarily fix a bad O2 sensor. You just need a few things from your garage. The list includes jack to lift the car, O2 sensor removal tool, and a dummy O2 sensor to replace the O2 sensor. Now, let's jump on to the steps. And before that, make sure the vehicle is cool enough. So, the first step is, lift your vehicle. Step number 2 is, pull out the bad O2 sensor. And finally, step number 3. Replace the bad O2 sensor with the dummy O2 sensor. And you are done. Remember, this is just a temporary fix. Using it for a long time might harm your vehicle's performance. So, get the permanent solution as early as possible. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.